I started my business in 2005. I had been working for several different cabinet builders as just a day labor, and decided this was something I could do on my own. So in 2005 I took the plunge and bought some equipment, started my own shop. Of course the first couple years were pretty tight, pretty slim, but it's turned into a good thing. So in buying a new sander, I like to buy quality. So I went to Styles and demoed the 42-inch Ironwood, and I bought it on the spot. It sold itself. It was what I needed. It made the most sense. For a small shop, 2-3 employee shop, Ironwood is an awesome fit.